Good morning. It's Monday, April 21st, 2025, and here's your full market rundown to start the week. U.S. stock futures are pointing slightly lower this morning as investors remain cautious ahead of a heavy week of earnings. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures are both in the red by about 1%, following increased market volatility and geopolitical concerns. In Asia overnight, Japan's Nikkei 225 fell sharply by 1.3%, dragged down by tech and industrials. Meanwhile, markets in China and South Korea saw mixed performance, with the Shanghai Composite holding steady as investors reacted to China's recent stimulus measures. European markets are closed today in observance of Easter Monday, so trading volumes globally may remain lighter than usual. In commodities, gold has continued to rise and is now trading above $2,400 an ounce, reflecting increased demand for safe haven assets amid global uncertainty. Oil prices are also slightly higher, driven by continued tensions in the Middle East. On the earnings front, several regional banks, including Comerica, Bank of Hawaii, and Washington Trust, are reporting before the bell, kicking off a busy earnings week. But the real spotlight is on Tesla, Alphabet, Intel, and Boeing, all set to report later this week. Tesla is under the microscope after reporting a significant 13% decline in Q1 deliveries, and analysts are watching closely for signs of margin compression or demand weakness. On the economic calendar, this week includes key data points like new home sales, durable goods orders, and consumer sentiment, all providing insight into the strength of the U.S. economy. We'll also be hearing from several Federal Reserve officials, including Christopher Waller and Neil Kashkari, whose comments could influence market expectations on rate cuts. That's your global market and economic update. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and check back daily for your early morning trading edge.